So first thing first is first we make sure that you are one of our customers. You do have to be using us as a utility in order to qualify for an incentive. If BWL, our consumers, isn't your utility, still reach out to whoever it is because a bunch of utilities are doing all sorts of incentives. So there's a really good chance that they're going to be able to help you out anyways. So first we make sure that you're a customer. Assuming that you're a customer, we then have you submit a pre-notification. And a pre-notification is basically, hi, here's my name, this is my location, and this is the equipment that I would like to install. We take a look over it, make sure that the equipment that you're installing actually qualifies for an incentive. And assuming that it does, we then reserve those funds for you. So we take that money, we set it off to the side, it now has your name on it. You're then going to install your equipment. Once everything is up and running, you'll submit your final application. And the final application is essentially signing off saying my project is complete. Here are the invoices for the equipment that I said that I was going to buy. We then look everything over. If to make sure that what you bought is what you said you were going to buy. Assuming that you didn't change anything, we then will submit your application for payment, and then you'll receive a check in the mail for that incentive amount. Now, we do have a couple stipulations during the final review process. For instance, if your incentive amount is over $50,000, we do require you to undergo a final inspection to verify that that product was actually installed. But it's really simple to do. It's literally just us coming to your facility and looking at some model numbers and being on our merry way.